We'll guide you on how to install drivers in Windows 11. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Drivers help your devices work properly, so make sure you watch the full video because we'll show a few different ways to do this. To start, press the Windows Start button at the bottom and open Settings. From the left side, scroll down and select Windows Update. Then scroll down and click on Advanced Options. Here, scroll down again and find Optional Updates. If you see any driver updates here, you can select them and download and install them. Another way is to press the search button at the bottom and type Device Manager. Open it and you will see a list of your devices. Find the device you want to update, for example, your network adapter. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. You can choose to search automatically, or you can browse your computer and pick a driver from a list. Select the driver, click Next, and it will be installed. That's it. Please leave a like if you found this useful.